Welcome to Bell Power Superior Diesel. My name is Stephanie Voplak, and have you ever wondered what it means to be a value-added distributor? Come on, let me show you. All right, I gotta talk quiet because we're in our engineer's office right now, but this is where the process starts. Customer calls in and says, hey, I've got this customized machine that I'm building and I need an engine to drop into this. Our engineers take all of their specs, all of their drawings, and they go hard at work making sure that we provide a solution for their unique application. Now we've moved over to our purchasing office. This is where all of the parts, the value-added components, our sheet metal, radiators, control panels, all the nuts, all the bolts get purchased right here in this office to make sure that we have all the components on hand to build these solutions for our customers. The next stop on our journey is our shipping and receiving. This is where all of those value-added parts come into our facility to be put on our engines. When our buyers buy it upstairs, it comes right down here and gets put on all of our shelves. And of course, the most important part of our value-added solutions are our engines. So the next step of this process is, of course, our production area, where parts get picked and our engines get built by our skilled production technicians, adding our value-added sheet metal, radiators, and all sorts of other parts to complete the package for our customer. And now we're at the final leg of our journey, where that value-added product is completely assembled and ready to go off to its customer. Well, thank you for joining me on this journey about learning what it means to be a value-added distributor. Remember that Bell Power Systems and Superior Diesel is your one-stop shop for value-added solutions for OEM off-highway equipment, and I will see you next time.